In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter sign-up form in Wix 2025. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's functionality or engage more effectively with your audience, a newsletter sign-up form can be a powerful tool to keep your visitors updated and involved. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to Wix.com and log into your account. This is your first stop, as it gives you access to all the tools and features Wix offers. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Wix dashboard, a hub where you can manage all your sites and settings effortlessly. Next, look for the option that allows you to select and edit your site. This is typically labeled as Select and Edit Site. Clicking this will open up the design options for your chosen website, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Site Management view, locate the Design Site button. Clicking this will take you to the heart of your site's design area. Here you can play around with various elements until you get your site looking just right. Now you need to head over to the Wix Website Editor. This is where you'll visually construct your website and add new features, such as our newsletter sign-up form. In the Wix Editor, there's an option called Add Elements, typically represented by a plus icon. Clicking on Add Elements is where you can really start to customize and add whatever your site needs, from basic text to rich multimedia. For our purposes, scroll down to find Contact and Forms. This section provides a wide array of form options to choose from, including the newsletter forms we're interested in. Navigate to Contact Form. This is where you can see various options such as contact forms, registration forms, and importantly, newsletter subscription forms. Click on any newsletter form template that appeals to you. Wix offers a variety of designs to fit the style and functionality of your site. Once you've selected a form, you'll see an option to Add to Site. Clicking on this will integrate the form into your current page layout. And just like that, you've successfully added a newsletter sign-up form to your Wix site. Adjust the form's layout, colors, and text as you see fit to ensure it matches the aesthetics of your website. A well-designed form can stand out and encourage more visitors to subscribe. With these simple steps, you've made it easy for visitors to stay connected with your latest updates and offers. Remember, a well-utilized newsletter is a powerful tool for building long-term relationships with your audience. So that's how you add a newsletter sign-up form in Wix 2025. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to stick around for more tips and tricks in future videos.